Thank you for the love and support, everyone. You guys are truly amazing. But there really is one thing I need to clear up. I've heard a misconception that I'm blind. I'm not blind. I am, however, blind to the love of a good woman. My wife is the most amazing person ever, and honestly, she supports me in this weird musical adventure with me. But this song I want to kind of it's called Nuno Mai Kusi. Just remember to love your wives and your husbands.